Well, hi there guys, Mark here and welcome today to a review on the Ado Air 20 Pro. Stay tuned and I'll give you my thoughts on it. Okay then, let's take a look at this fabulous Ado Air 20 Pro. Just run through all the specifications and then we'll go for a little test ride all around here at, we're down at Poole Harbour and Poole Quay in the south of England. So price, I just checked this morning, currently these are £1,299. Came very well boxed indeed, comes with all the tools, the charger, a very good instruction manual, nice and clear. So this is a 250 watt Beifang dual speed motor. We'll go into a bit more of that a bit later on. It's 15.5 mile an hour, 25 kilometers an hour, so all nice and legal. It's got 40 Newton meters of torque. So this basically has an auto shifting 2-speed in the rear hub here, which gives you quick acceleration. It's a very smooth, very quiet. Obviously you've got belt drive as well, which is clean, low maintenance, very quiet and smooth, so that's brilliant. Another great feature of this bike is you have a torque sensor as opposed to a cadence sensor. So that basically means that as you push, it gives you the power, whereas a cadence sensor, you have to turn the pedals a few times. So torque sensors are very efficient, giving you a really good range. So the bike comes with rack mudguards. It's very well equipped. Lights, front and rear indicators. Don't know if you can see it in this bright sunlight, but you've got a very nice colour LCD display there, showing you your battery and your speedo. No, I don't think you, there you go. Battery, speedo, you've got 3 power assist levels, 3 in sport, and you've also got 3 in eco as well. Odometer, average speed trip, all that sort of good information. So it's a folding design, so that's very convenient. There's your folding mechanism there. I'll show you that in a minute, and it folds there as well. And also the handlebars are adjustable as well. Nice little bell. So 36 volt battery here, giving you a good range. I'd say at least 30 miles on this. It seems to be very efficient on the charge so far. So this has basically got a locking mechanism here, so that is obviously for your seat adjustment. That then locks and you press that little button just there to lock that, so that's your battery locked in there. You can also download the Ado Smart app, where you can adjust all your sort of settings and view your rides, that sort of thing, all your trips. Folding pedals, side stand, adjustable front suspension with a lockout as well there. We've got Tektro hydraulic brakes that are very firm, got lots of power and bite, so that's great as well. So to fold the bike down, just open up the mechanism here, and the bike just simply folds down quickly and efficiently like that, and it's very light as well. You could just pick it up. And to remove the battery, which is locked in, undo the key, undo the locking mechanism, turn the little blue plug, take the plug out, and then the battery will simply just slide right out. It's quite big. So you could either charge that indoors or on the bike, up to you. And it is a 10 amp hour battery. So I'm 5'7", 170 centimeters with a 30-inch inside leg. This bike fits me really nicely. Got the seat set quite high for me. Room here, very comfortable grips, nice little bars. The bike feels extremely light to ride. It's fun. It's sort of snappy and good fun. So yeah, it fits me well at 5'7". If you were 6 foot, still fine. And as you can see, this seat will go down a lot more yet. So for probably about 5'2", you'd be absolutely fine on this. So we have indicators, which is a nice touch, front and rear lights, all as standard. So the tyres on this, 20-inch tyres by 1.95, they run really smoothly. The whole bike is very, very quiet to ride indeed. That's great. Because it's 20-inch wheels, it's got a very lively, sort of nippy feel about it. It's good fun to ride. Weighs in at about 20 kilos with the rack and the mudguards on, so it's not a heavy bike at all. And it's suitable for a vast range of riders, sort of from about 5'2" to well over 6 foot, 150 centimetres to 200 centimetres for riders. But looking around the bike, you know, the welds are extremely tidy on it. It's got a really nice feel to it. It's available in 3 different colours. If you're looking for like a city commuter bike that you can fold up, put in the back of your car, very well spec'd indeed, with the dual speed motor, auto shifting and the torque sensor and hydraulic brakes. It's a really nice bike to ride. Quite a narrow, sort of sporty design seat there, but no problems for me with comfort. I find that really nice. Battery on-off power switch is there. So there you go, guys. That's the Ado Air 20 Pro. Let's do the test ride. Right, so we're just down here at Poole Harbour, testing out the Ado. So it's got a convenient side stand. So to switch the display on, you can hold the power button for a few seconds. It defaults to assist level 1. It does have eco mode as well. I've tried that. Not a massive amount of difference, just a little bit less power. So I've got this lovely belt drive, smooth and efficient. Obviously a torque sensor on this, so as soon as you push, it gives power. So away we go. There's the power instantly. Really nice. Yeah, the belt drive is very smooth indeed. Now this auto changing 2-speed hub at the back is an absolute genius. So we're in like the lower gear at the moment, but then the moment you get to 12, you hear a very sort of gentle click at the back, and it goes into top gear, and then when you slow down again, it goes into the lower gear. So I'll just show you that again. There's 9, 10, click into top. And the great thing when you're in top gear is that the cadence of the gearing, obviously it's single speed, is so slow. It's really high geared. So I'm doing 14, 15 miles an hour now, and my legs are going around really slowly, so that's nice. On a lot of these small wheeled bikes you can be pedaling really fast, like ghost pedaling, which is really annoying. So that's superb. So into assist level 3, still about 15.5, 16 miles an hour, but plenty of power there for effortless cruising. And this bike rolls so nicely. It's really light, it's really agile, perfect for the city. It feels really well put together. There's no squeaks, rattles or anything of that. Let's try the brakes out from 15 miles an hour. So they're very powerful with excellent bite, really good strong brakes there. Little bell, obviously you've got your lights, you've got indicators at the rear, so it's a very, very smooth rolling bike. very well put together. So I've been on this for about an hour now this morning. I'm finding this seat very comfortable. So slow it down now to below 12. You can't hear it, but that down changes now down to the low gear. Right, so we'll just try it up this hill now. It's about a 1 in 5, 20%. I've got it in assist level 3. Bear in mind it's no gears on this, it's just a single speed, and I'm just keeping it in the lower gear at the moment. 9 miles an hour, and that's going up really easily. I'm only giving it like 20% power for my legs, so plenty of power there for hill climbing. It's very smooth, quiet and effortless, so good hill climbing ability for the Ado. So far for me, the standout features that I like about the Ado: extremely quiet, smooth running, feels very good quality. That auto shifting 2-speed rear hub is just genius. It's brilliant, really good. Plenty of power for effortless cruising around 15 miles an hour. Hill climbing, no problem at all. So a very, very nice, lightweight, easy to ride, folding city bike. Hydraulic brakes. You could put your little bag on the back on the rack at the back, and away you go. Perfect little city commuter. So let's take another look round, shall we? So there you are, guys, the Ado Air 20 Pro, a fantastic city commuter, extremely smooth to ride. That 2-speed auto shifting rear hub is really good. Obviously belt drive, minimal maintenance, clean and silent running. Torque sensor's really good on it. It's a nippy bike to ride, really good fun. So just start at the top here and run through all the specs again. So the bars are really nice sort of width, very comfortable grips. These Tektro hydraulic brakes are very powerful. Nice little display there. You can see it in the bright sunlight, but the camera's not picking it up that well. So obviously all this is adjustable. It's folding. It's a lightweight bike. It's got a little sort of magnet there so that when you fold the bike, the front wheel goes to that to keep it together. Folding pedals, convenient rear rack, mudguards, front and rear lights. Decent range. I mean, I've done about 12 miles now, plenty of battery life left, so I would say at least 30 miles from that battery, which is conveniently located in the tube there, so it just looks like a general bike really. All the paint works really nice. It's available in all the different colours. These little 20-inch wheels roll very well. Tyres are good grip, so it's got a sort of a lively, sort of lightweight feel about it. So, but all in all, a very, very nice bike to ride. Extremely easy to put together. Comes well equipped with all your tools, charger, very easy to put together. So yeah, a very nice bike to ride. That seat's comfortable. So I've got plenty of battery life left. So there you have it, guys. If you're after a city commuter bike which is really well built, with nice features, you know, the 2-speed auto shifting rear hub and the belt drive and the torque sensor and hydraulic brakes, it's a lot of nice bike for the money. So please post your comments down below, guys. Give me a like, share and subscribe as always, and I'll see you in a week or so for another review. Ride safe, all the best, and bye for now.